Good day, everyone. My name is Nur Iklima Hanim, and today I am excited to share with you an important topic, one that affects us all, which is Malaysia Education Blueprint PPBM 2013 until 2025. The overarching objective of the Malaysia Education Blueprint is to transform the education system to improve students' outcomes, enhance teacher quality, and modernize educational structures to meet the 21st century demands. This involves ensuring that students acquire not only knowledge but also skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, and communication to be globally competitive. The blueprint outlines five aspirations for the Malaysia education system. First, access. It ensures 100% enrollment of children from preschool to upper secondary school by 2020. Second, this aims to reduce dropout rates, particularly in rural and disadvantaged communities. Second, quality. Improve the standard of education so that Malaysia ranks in the top third of international assessments like PISA and TIMSS within 15 years. Shift from rote memorization to higher order thinking skills, which is HOTS, emphasizing problem solving, creativity, and critical thinking. Next, equity. Reduce achievement gaps based on urban-rural differences, socioeconomic status, and gender by 50% by 2020. Provide additional support for students with disabilities, orang asli, and lower income groups to ensure fair access to education. Fourth, unity. Schools play a crucial role in nation building by fostering unity among students of different ethnic and religious backgrounds. Programs like Rancangan Integrasi Murid untuk Perpaduan, which is RIMU, encourage interaction between students from different types of schools. Fifth, efficiency. Optimize educational spending to ensure maximum impact on student learning outcomes without increasing the education budget. Improve teacher deployment, resource allocation, and school infrastructure. The blueprint outlines 11 key shifts, but here are the three critical ones. First, providing equal access to quality education of international standards. Revamp National Curriculum KSSR, KSSM to meet international benchmarks. Increase STEM focus, more emphasis on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to support Malaysia's economic growth. Also, improve assessment methods, reduce reliance on exams, integrate school based assessment, PBS, and emphasize higher order thinking skills, which is HOTS. Second, ensuring every child is proficient in Bahasa Melayu and English and encouraged to learn an additional language. English language improvement, Linus 2.0 program to strengthen early English literacy. English made a compulsory past subject in SPM from 2016. Encourage multilingual proficiency, more students to learn Mandarin, Tamil, Arabic, and other foreign languages, which are French, Spanish, Japanese, and etc. Third, transforming teaching into a profession of choice. Higher recruitment standards, only top 30% of graduates to be recruited as teachers. Professional development and career progression. Professional development and career progression. Continuous upskilling for teachers. Specialized careers, specialized career pathways. Master teacher, subject specialist, or leadership roles. Reducing teachers' administrative workload, streamline paperwork and reporting so teachers can focus on teaching and student engagement. Malaysia Education Blueprint (PBPM) 2013 until 2025 has significant implications for teachers in several key areas, including learning and teaching management, professional development, technological skills, vision for the future, and being role models. Here, I present to you an elaboration on each point. First, learning and teaching management, which is pengurusan pembelajaran dan pengajaran. Teachers are expected to move away from traditional learning and implement student-centered learning approaches that promote critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. This includes integrating higher order thinking skills (HOTS) into lesson plans, using diverse teaching strategies such as project-based learning, inquiry-based learning, and flipped classrooms. Next, next, managing student diversity by using differentiated instruction to cater different learning styles and abilities. Last one, utilizing formative assessments to provide feedback and improve student learning continuously. By this, teachers must enhance their pedagogical methods and create a more interactive and engaging classroom environment. Second, professional development, which is pembangunan professionalism. The blueprint emphasizes continuous professional development (CPD) to ensure teachers to ensure teachers stay updated with new educational theories, teaching methods, and also subject content knowledge. The key initiatives include regular training and workshops on curriculum updates and assessment methods, coaching and mentoring programs where experienced teachers guide younger educators. Also, encouraging in participation in professional learning communities (PLCs) to share best practices, providing specialized careers pathways for teachers to become master teachers, subject specialists, or even school leaders. From this, teachers must be lifelong learners, continuously improving their skills to meet evolving educational demands. The technological skills, which is kemahiran teknologi, with the increasing use of digital tools in education, teachers, most of all, must develop technological competencies to enhance teaching and learning. This involves using digital platforms such as OneBestaryNet, Google Classroom, and other e-learning platforms. Incorporating AI and data analytics to track student progress and personalize learning. Also, implementing blended and hybrid learning models that combine face to face and also online instruction. Next, engaging students with multimedia resources such as videos, simulations, and also virtual labs to make the lessons more interactive. Further implication, teachers must embrace digital literacy and integrate technology effectively to improve students' engagement and learning outcomes. Fourth, having a vision for the future, which is mempunyai wawasan. Teachers need to be forward thinking and adaptable to prepare students for 21st century challenges. This means aligning teaching with future job market demands, emphasizing skills like creativity, communication, and also collaboration. Encouraging entrepreneurship and innovation, helping students think beyond traditional career paths, instilling global awareness, ensuring students understand sustainability, ethics, and also digital citizenship, supporting Malaysia's goal to be in the top third of global education rankings by improving student performance in international assessments like PISA and also TIMSS. By this, teachers must continuously adapt to future trends and prepare students to be global citizens and competitive workforce members. Being role models, which is menjadi suri teladan. Teachers play a crucial role in shaping students' character, values, and also ethical behavior. Therefore, teachers must demonstrate integrity, responsibility, and professionalism in their conduct. Teachers also need to instill discipline, respect, and national unity in students, as emphasized in the national education philosophy. Um, serve as mentors and guides, helping students navigating academic and personal challenges. Promote a culture of excellence, inspiring students to strive for the best. By this, teachers must lead by example, not only academically, but also in character, ethics, and national unity. In conclusion, we all know that teachers in Malaysia must evolve into effective managers, lifelong learners, tech savvy educators, visionary leaders, and ethical role models. The education landscape is changing, and teachers must adapt to new methodologies, embrace technology, and uphold strong values to ensure students are well prepared for the future. And that will be all from me. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy this video.